Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Before we begin, I want to give a shout out to the Philadelphia Eagles for winning the Super Bowl this past Sunday. Also, a special congratulations to my H-Town brother and Super Bowl MVP, Jalen Hurts. I'm so proud of y'all. What a great game. Well, today I'm going to share with y'all another treat for Valentine's Day and Galentine's Day. We're going to make strawberry brownies. And the best part about this recipe, we're going to use a strawberry cake mix. My friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, loaded with strawberry flavor, and we're going to top it with a strawberry preserve glaze. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Great to give to your sweetheart and your girlfriends. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Red Velvet Yeast Donuts. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So turn on your oven, grab your baking pan, and your strawberry cake mix sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry brownies magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. In my medium bowl, we're going to add in the star of the show, the cake mix, and this is a 15.25 ounce package. And into our cake mix, we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of table salt. And if using salted butter, you can just omit the salt. Give it a quick whisk until it's well combined. Okie dokie, dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to set these aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in a half a cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And into our melted butter, we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1.5 teaspoons of pure strawberry extract, and whisk all together until it's well blended. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add in the cake mix mixture. And mix until it's well incorporated. It will be thick. Let me grab my spatula. I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. Now we can mix. Like I said, the batter would be thick. Alright, my friends, I am through mixing up my batter, and how simple and easy was that? Smells good. Love the smell of strawberry. So now we are ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour it in an 8 by 8 inch square baking pan, or you can line it with parchment paper. Now we're going to spread it evenly. Okie dokie, now we are ready to put our brownies in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees, going to let them bake for 25 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my brownies out of the oven. And it smells incredible up in this kitchen. See how nice and puffy they are? Now we're going to let them cool completely. And while they're cooling, let's make our strawberry preserved glaze. In my medium bowl and sifter, we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. That's a half a cup. And 1/4 of a cup. And sift, or you can whisk it. And into our powdered sugar, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of strawberry preserves, and stir till combined. Alrighty, our glaze is done. A simple 3-ingredient recipe. Perfect. So now our brownies are cool. Let's give them some sugar, shall we? we're just going to pour the glaze right on top of the brownies, like so. And using my offset spatula, we're just going to spread the glaze all over. All right, my friends, now we're going to cut them into squares. I'm going to gently grab a brownie using my cake spatula. Wish me luck. Gorgeous! Came out nicely. All right, I'm going to go ahead and grab the rest of my brownies, place them onto my cake stand, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Strawberry brownies. Doesn't that look good? And I garnished them with some fresh strawberries. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I've got my plate right here and I'm serving it with a strawberry. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. Beautiful. Look at that. Please have a bite. Chewy, moist, bursting with strawberry goodness, and I love the chunks of strawberry preserves in the glaze. Tastes like homemade. Can't tell this is from a box. These strawberry brownies are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Strawberry brownies, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Happy Valentine's Day and Galentine's Day.